Is our chapter number 9 work or poem. I am a tailor, make clothes, stitch, my needle goes. I am a cobbler, mending a shoe, tat, it just like new. I am a traffic police woman. I stand just so, telling cars to stop, telling cars to go. Imagine that you are a policewoman or a cobbler or any of these men in a society. Stay, what do you do? Match the following people with the items that they used. A tailor used needle. A tailor used needle. A potter used wheel. A photographer used camera. A blacksmith used hammer. And a scientist used a test tube.